Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the Ghost Flash channel. Today's video we're going to be degreasing and washing down the engine for the Miata. So basically I have everything taped off on the car right now, all the vacuum lines, hoses, electrical stuff, all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna basically start degreasing it and washing it. Gotta do before and after video so you can see how dirty it is. Like, dude, if I can clean all this off, like, that's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be like a brand new engine. Like, jeez, this is terrible. So this is what happens when you pressure wash your finger. Dang. It's literally brand new.
All John's fault.
Dang. Alright guys, here we go with weak boy Damien over here. Getting ready to drop the heart into the Drift Beast.
Drift Beast all day.
That can be her name? What's her name?
I don't know. Whatever you want it to be.
Someone was saying we should have named it after that girl. Where you got the motor from? R6, my neighbor. Got my dream bike. But yeah, we got all the freaking, we got the top, we got the engine, got the tranny, the radiator, the hood. We got all these little interior and trunk pieces gonna go in the car today, or hopefully today.
Shit together.
Oh, we got the ignition and the key finally, so now we have the key. We still have the steering wheel though. But we're getting ready to drop the heart in this beast and get her started. Alright vlog, so I got the top on, I just didn't latch it yet, but the top is now on, the carpet is inside, and this boy Damien over here, all by himself, put a whole motor in the car.
Yes sir.
I was supposed to help him, but I got busy doing that thing, and now I turn around one moment, I'm doing this, turn back, the motor's already dropped in, and it's off the freaking cherry picker. So yeah.
Yes, it is.
Keep y'all posted. Alright vlog, let me update you now. We got the motor inside the vehicle. Now this is the 1.6 liter motor out of the 1990 Mazda Miata. And this is supposed to be 1.8 block. It's supposed to be inside of this 2000 NB. But we're trying to get the wiring harness to figure out, or trying to get the wiring harness to work to this car, or to this motor. And it's not really working out properly, so we have to get a new harness. But other than that, we ran into that issue. We got the motor in, most of the connections connected, some of the vacuum lines connected, as you can see. We got the top on, we got the interior all done. Got ugly Damien over here walking in.
Damn right.
Battery connected, Devin. We got power and a working key.
And we got some treetop apple juice.
Yeah, we got some apple juice, and I bought some pizza for the boys.
Beat that I'm lost and located in the back door.